One strange discovery in the Amazon is how Lidar revealed entire networks of cities beneath the forest. You picture wide causeways stretching straight through the trees, plazas where voices once gathered, now swallowed by roots. The air is thick with moisture, the smell of wet soil rising as parrots call in the distance, and the jungle closes again, hiding all traces. This is just a glimpse of hidden Lidar kingdoms of the Amazon rainforest. Tap the link to drift deeper into the full 2-hour time documentary and follow 4 more sleepy journeys through history.